From LPU classrooms to securing a package of 2.5 crore while studying, I work in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. This is my story. Hi, I'm Sri Vishnu, final year student of B.Tech Robotics and Automation here at LPU. From my beginnings in Tamil Nadu 12 years ago, when I didn't even speak English, to now securing 2.5 crore package, it has been an amazing journey. When I joined LPU, I had an idea about the opportunities that would open up for me. However, it is not only about the infrastructures, but freedom to use it, experiment with it, and grow with it. My focus has always been understanding the future of technology and how automation is shaping industries. One defining moment for me when I heard...
I think by 2040, probably there are more humanoid robots than there are people.
At first, I didn't fully grasp what he meant. But years later, as I worked on AI-driven robotics here at LPU, I realized the magnitude of that statement. That's when I knew I was on the right path. For me, engineering is closely working within industry, so I think I got every skill set at LPU. Working around the clock, facing failures was hard yet exciting. It's not easy here, but everything is possible here. You just have to think and have the will. With the help of faculties and opportunities here at LPU, I was able to do global internships in Japan, Singapore and the USA. LPU is not just about education, it's about transformation. The university gave me access to diverse culture in the campus itself. The co-curricular activities like hackathon and competitions not only stimulated our minds, but also built confidence to face industry challenges. Moreover, we have been privileged to meet industry leaders and learn from them. Your journey starts here. If I can do it, so can you.
Education revolution starts at Lovely Professional University.